Hi guys, today we are gonna open a Labubu. Do you know how they got super famous? This singer from Blackpink, she loved these monsters, so then she kind of did a little bit of videos with them. So then everybody was like, oh my gosh, I want those too. So then they wanted to open them and they were like, oh, it's so cute, and then they got super famous. My mom bought me this and I was like, ah! So then I was seeing the Labubu characters and I saw that it was blue, yellow, pink, I think, then purple, kind of brownish, blue, light blue, green, and the secret one. So I'm trying to get this one or this one or these three that have the open eyes. So let's see. Let's see which one I got. How do I open these? Okay. This is hard to open. I'll just open it randomly. This is so cute. I love the details of the bag. Super pretty. Now I need to see what's inside. He's so cute! Wait, what? I got the secret one. This is so cute. Look at this cutie pie. He is super cute. This is so cute. I love it. So thank you for watching my video and subscribe and like this video. Bye.